Hi everyone, welcome to Stunner. So with regards the topic of the video, guys would have understand this is something with regards to the index trade, and this is part 3 video. In the part 1 video, we have seen like which trade we have to take, whether it is a week reversal setup or not, and if it is a week reversal setup on the index chart, how it has performed, and per day per trade with 1:1 ratio I have shown till now. So on the second video, I compared with the Nifty as well as the Nifty options chart, like which option to take and how the trade has gone throughout. And now this video is completely with regards to Nifty futures chart. Okay, so let's start from March 1st itself. And guys, do not ask some silly questions. Kindly see the chart, kindly see the time frame, whatever I'm using. I'm using 15-minute chat, and some people simply they're commenting, simply they're asking some silly questions like, can I do it in 5 minute chat? Which is the time frame to use? Please see the video properly. I'm using only 15-minute chat. So I am why am I using 15-minute chat and why I'm not showing other time frame is like I'm comfortable with 15 minutes. I am able to see some good rewards in 15 minutes, and that is why I'm giving you 15-minute chat. But I don't understand people are like asking which time frame looks good, which time frame suits good. It depends on you guys. According to you, for example, you guys are using 5 minute time chat, then try wick reversal setup on 5 minute time chart and see how it is working. Do back testing on that without even doing any back testing, straight away coming to me asking which time frame. And those who have seen Secret of Pivot Boss book, you guys should know whether you can take first one 15-minute trade or like first 15-minute candle trade or not. And people are asking, when the 15-minute candle came in the first 15-minute candle itself showed a wick reversal setup, why you did not mention that? See, I to me, initial balance is needed. And what is initial balance? See the Secret of Pivot Boss book reading videos. In that, you guys you will be able to understand. Now let's move on to the video further. So this is the first of March chart, and I could not see any wick. Here is one wick reversal setup, but there is no entry at all. And after that, here is one wick reversal setup. And if anyone wants would have shorted over here, they would have easily got 1:1. But let me consider this example. So this is one week universal setup, and ultimately the low was 143734 and 14733. So this particular trade is lost. So the first trade started with a loss. Now let's start with March 2nd. This is the March 2nd chart. Okay, so this is something I need an initial balance. So assume till this range an initial balance. This is one proper entry, but no trigger. This is some entry, but there was the body is not twice. So I'm rejecting those. So this is one week reversal setup, which is good, which is looking good. Okay, so the low is around 14807, and this has got hit. So 10803. And I'm not sure which one came first, but I'm considering this as loss. So for now, two loss. Okay, so here I don't see a wick reversal setup. This looks like a wick reversal setup, but let me see the body high to sorry open to close is 10 points, and close to low is around 24 points. So this is a wick reversal setup, and we have got an entry, and we have got 1:1 as well. So among two trades are profit and one trade is not in profit. And this is a trade. Okay, and here is also a wick reversal setup. This is also a possible wick reversal setup, but I'm considering only the first trade. So again, two trades in loss, two trades in profit. So this is a doji reversal setup, but we have not considered this. So let's move on. So this is a wick reversal setup. So high to low is around 5023. Okay, 13 plus 23, 36 points. So I should get at least 36 in the sense of 15059 at least I'm get. So 15067. So this is a hit trade. So three trades in profit and two trades in loss. So this is a wick reversal setup, and The arrow should be at the downside. Okay, so this is a wick reversal setup. So target hit. So 4 trades in profit, 2 trades in loss. I'm considering only the one first trade and 1:1 ratio, nothing more than that. Okay, so this is a wick reversal setup and 1 5 and it reach. Okay, so this is loss. So 3 trades in lots and 4 trades in profit. So this is a wick reversal setup done good. So 5 trades in profit, 3 trades in loss. And this is today's chart. Let's see whether any wick reversal setup is seen. Okay, not much of any wick reversal setup seen. Okay, sorry, this is Friday's chart. Okay, so wick reversal setup is seen over here. Okay, so again 6 trades in profits and 3 trades in loss. No wick reversal setup. This can be considered as a wick reversal setup. So target hit. So 7 trades in profit and 3 trades in loss. If one doesn't want to take consider this as a wick reversal setup, then this is also a wick reversal setup, and this is also a wick reversal setup. So we have got 3 wick reversal setups, and among that, and even this particular point is a wick reversal setup. Okay, so now this is also wick reversal setup. If suppose someone thinks that this is not a wick reversal setup based on the lower wick, then I'll tell you that this is also a wick reversal setup. So on today, like Monday's chart alone has given 4 wick reversal setups. So if anyone has genuinely tried it, they would have easily got 1:1. So let's, if you guys want, you can see this particular point, 22 plus 14, nearly 36 points you need. So 36 points is around 14840, and you have got more than that. Okay, in this candle itself, you have got your 1:1 ratio in the second candle itself. So if suppose this trade, so 7 plus 38, 45 points you need. So 45 points is around 148, 45 points, right? So 83. So this is a lost trade. Okay. So let me symbolize that as well. This is a lost trade. And now here, a wick reversal setup. So this is around 36 points. So you have got your 36 points in this candle itself. And this particular trade, your trade is around 29 plus 34 points. I'm going, you have got 34 points as well. So wick reversal setups occur each and every day. So in this also, four or three lost trades and remaining seven trades are in profit trades. So I'm considering only the wick reversal setup. So first, I would request each and everyone to watch the video with regards to the index trade alone. I will tag the video along in with this video, and also I'll post the link in the description as well. So kindly watch that. And second part of the video, what I've told is with respect to options, and there were some questions like, let me tell you. So for example, this particular trade, I told that you can initiate a trade. Okay, one of my friend is asking a question. So if in case I'm going to sell an option, I need a huge amount of cost. So what should be the possible thing? See, I took an example of a call option because the first trade which I got on March 1st is a buy wick reversal setup. So that is why I took the call option. So if in the case, if it is like something like a sell wick reversal setup, you guys can go for selling an option. But if you guys feel the cost is too high, then you guys can pick up uh, P also, right? Put also, right? But he is asking like selling an option. So I would suggest you guys is like, don't take it whatever I say, don't take it as such as it is. Just for the sake of ease, I just took a call option and I explained you. If you guys want, if you guys seen a bearish wick reversal setup, you guys can go for a put option as well. Nothing wrong in that. Selling an option, you guys need, what I would say is like, you need, first of all, you guys need high cash, high capital. Second of all, you guys need a huge amount of knowledge with experience to handle that part of selling an option. So I don't recommend, but it is what should I say? If the VIX is under control, and if you guys feel that the VIX is doing good, then you guys can considerably look into that. Okay, so you guys, for selling an option, I'm trying to make a separate course because a lot of people were asking like, how do you sell, how do you make calls, and what are all those things. So I will explain with a separate video on that, but that will be posted only for members people who are into membership plan. It will not be posted for all the public. Why? There will be one question now. After hearing this point of word, everyone will come and saying like, so you are also money minded. So if you want to earn money, you can earn from share market. Why do you want to post videos? Why do you want to do it for membership and all those things? Very simple. Okay. So if you are going to buy an option, so for a 100 rupees option, Nifty index 75 lot, so you have to pay 7,500 rupees as a capital you need. But if you're going to sell an option, same for the 100 rupees call option or a put option, you need to have more than 25,000. So if you guys are not for intraday, I'm saying, if you guys have to hold it for a day or a week, which I give, so at least for 3 days I asked you to hold, right? And if those type of cases, you guys need to have at least a margin or at least a capital of 10 lakhs minimum. Okay, so at least assume 5 lakhs minimum, 3 lakhs minimum at least it is very much needed. Okay, in that case, what you guys will be doing? So let's see. Let me show you one example. Zerodha margin calculator. So one call is running, which is TCS. Let me show that. Okay, so here it is, futures, which is TCS, and I have bought it, right. So add. So for TCS, if you want to buy one lot of futures, 1,95,000 is needed. And I sold several options as well. So that is for March contract. I sold call 3,300 and I sold it. So adding that. So see how much you guys needed. The margin benefit is 95,000 and your total margin is around 2,33,000 is needed. Okay, so for the margin of that 3,28,000, as you are doing a hedge, so you need at least 2,33,000. If you guys do not have 2,33,000, if I'm going to post the particular option trading strategy or something which you guys feel like I've not paid you, if you guys have told that that is a high good accuracy and all those things, and major time it is showing profit. So if you guys do not have 2,33,000 minimum for one particular trade, what I'm trying to say, then why you guys want to opt in for that membership? So if someone is having some 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs and they wanted to try this, if they are able to generate some income out of it, then it is good and fine. If you guys do not have this and if you guys are trading with 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 50,000 like that, then do not opt in for that membership plan. As simple as that. Okay, so after stating all these things, and you guys will feel that okay, if these particular option trading strategy is looking good, and all those is making profit only. So let me get some loan or let me borrow some money, and you guys will start trading on that, and finally you guys will end up in bankrupt only. Okay, so for now I have doing an index series. First one I have told with spot, second one I told with spot and options comparing, third now I have told about index futures. Next there are some other future videos also which are coming, which are lined up. Okay, so what I would say you guys is like, concentrate on one particular strategy, work on that particular strategy, see how it is working, do at least 3 months or 1 year of back testing and check whether it is giving good accuracy or not. Only if you guys are convinced, then go and trade. Otherwise, just think of something else. Okay, guys. So on the next topic, it will be based on comparing futures and option chart. Next, with respect to moving average. Next, with respect to CPR. Next, with respect to Camarella. So nearly another 3 to 4 videos are on the way. I'll be uploading those. So just make an Excel sheet. I'm just waiting for if anyone is making an Excel sheet, just make an Excel sheet and see at least for these 10 or 12 days, whichever I'm covering, how much is the profit, how much is the loss, or how is the 1:1 ratio is going on. All these things, someone try to maintain a spreadsheet and see and share it to me. Do these at least for 10, 15 days, back testing at least, see and check how it is working. Otherwise, it is waste of putting money and losing in the market. Market is a place where one earns and other loses. Only 10% is and remaining 90% loses. And that 90% amount of money you guys are thinking maybe it will be like lakhs or thousands, but it is more than 100 crores, 90% of the money people are losing. And the remaining 10% who is gaining, they are gaining the entire 90% whatever they are losing. Okay, so try to be a bit smart. Try to, first of all, what I would say is like, try to do back test. Back test, back test, back test. That will for sure help you guys. Okay, so that's it from my end, guys. If you feel the content is good, kindly give a like. If you guys have any other queries, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing, and share to friends and family. Stay tuned for more.